Hi, my name is Bridget, and I am one of Fit Small Business's retail experts. And today we're going to be taking a look at Vend point of sale, specifically its checkout display features. So Vend offers both a mobile app for Android and iOS, as well as a browser selling display. And today we're going to be looking at the desktop version. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to your selling page, which is right here. You can access it on your sidebar. And then I'm going to start a transaction. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add an item to the order. And you can do that either by typing or searching the item manually by its name or by a different product tag. So I'm going to start here with a red shirt. Another really nice thing about Vend is that you can park sales. Let's say this person needs to go back and try something on, they're going to come back, or they forgot something and aren't going to come back. You can park the sale. Or if you need to park it long term, assuming there's some sort of like payment agreement, you can park the sale for that reason as well. And then you're going to jump right into here, and you can add a customer to the transaction without ever leaving the checkout page, which is really nice. You don't have to go over to your customer catalog. You can add it right here. So you can either add an existing customer. So let's say I'm going to add an existing customer. I could go here, but we are going to add a new customer, and we're going to call them Tim. So you're going to add a new customer, Tim Smith. Their email address is going to be timsmith123@gmail. Their phone number you can add, and then you can delineate their customer group. So let's say you have a VIP program, you can indicate that they're a VIP here, or they have some other status. You can opt them in for your promotional stuff with this right here. And then there's another page where you can add additional details like their mailing address, customer codes, birthday, different things that might be pertinent to your loyalty program, as well as custom entries. So I'm going to go ahead and add Tim to this purchase. And then I could go ahead if I wanted to add a discount or a note, say I wanted to extend the return window for this person for whatever reason, I could note that here, or I could add a discount for a custom percentage here. That is different than what you see with Lightspeed. However, when you add a discount with Lightspeed, it's limited to the discounts that you as the point of sale owner have allowed. Here you can add whatever discount you want, which is a little bit different and can be precarious at times. So here we're going to go ahead and pay, and you have a ton of tender options with Vend. So you can either do cash, other payment method, or you can do, if you have a merchant account hooked up, you can do your credit or debit. And then other payment methods refers to all of these things here that I have allowed to be valid payment methods at my store. So whether that be layaway, if this person had store credit, this would be a viable option. If they had loyalty points that they could use to pay for this, that would be a viable option. Or I could say they're putting this on their account and they're going to pay for it later, and that would go into their account balance, which is always displayed right here. So we're going to go ahead and say this person paid in cash. And we're going to complete the sale. So you're going to use your standard receipt, or you can use your custom receipt, which is I've created a receipt with our custom return label, our store name, all of that kind of stuff. So then we're going to go ahead and complete sale. I don't have a printer hooked up, but say I did. The sale is complete, and it has been added to my daily sales. All right, so that is Vend's checkout and register on the desktop. I hope that was helpful.